Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about continue statement. In my previous video, you already seen about how the how the break statement is going to be work. So break is stop the loop, exit from the loop as a controller moves out from a loop. But in the case of continue, the loop is also move on to the further and it uh, it did not leave to the loop. Okay, it can't leave the loop. Okay, so how the continue statement is going to be work, let's see with example. So first of all, I am going to write some object, that is a list object 1 2 3 4 5, and when I am going to use it in for loop x in L colon if x modulus 2 equal to 0 colon print x. Fine. Then okay, if x modulus 2 equal to 0, then print x. Okay, otherwise you have to print this break or continue. Sorry, here I'm not using a break, this is a continue. If condition is true, there is nothing going to be print. Okay, the controller moves out, not moves out, the controller moves on to the next element and then comes to the check. If the condition is false, then come to the print. Okay, it's a very simple. First the element is check with the list element, then comes to the inner, condition will be checked. If condition is false, then print x. If condition is true, then moves the continue and to the next element inside the list. So in this way the entire instructions are going to be work. So here see 1 3 5, it is printing as a odd numbers, but when it is conditions is satisfied, the continue helps us to further print or further print or see all the elements which are present inside the list which are not divisible by 2. Okay, so here is not divisible by 2, it's going to be print, and which are the divisible by 2, the continue helps us to move on to the loop to the next element. Fine, so this is the way where the continue is going to be work. Okay, if you go for the another L2, and here you are going to be apple, mango, orange. Then for x in L3, okay, or L2, then if for x in L2, if x equal to apple, okay, it's allowed you print all the elements. If you apply continue here, fine, print x. How? Let's see apple, mango and orange, but here is not printing the apple because I am not, when the condition is satisfied, within that condition I am not using any print statement. Okay, so it's a continue, means when apple is hits, the continue x with next element, that's a mango, condition first, come out and print mango and orange. But here the controller not leave the loop or exit the loop like break statement. It's important to compare continue and break statement. Okay, there is also interview questions comes out how you can compare with break statement and continue statement. Fine. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please share this video and click on the like button. When you hit more likes, and my video is promoted on top of your search, and also click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.